Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing problem. It's pretty simple. First you want to do is click on your Facebook menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. And once you're in your Facebook menu, you want to scroll a bit down and click on settings and privacy. From over here, you want to choose settings. From inside settings, scroll a bit down. And under preference tab, you will see the option called navigation bar. Click on navigation bar. From over here, the first option, customize the bar, click on it. Now over here, you want to find Marketplace. Right beside Marketplace, it might show you auto or hidden. It doesn't matter. Just click on the option and then make sure it's on pin. Now once you choose your Marketplace on pin, as you guys can see at the bottom, my Marketplace appeared. And just like that, in your screen as well, the Marketplace will appear. And you can go on Facebook Marketplace and search for whatever thing you want to buy. But that's how we guys can fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. If you want to step for future videos like this, I'll see you guys next time.